Steve, I can't even believe this. This is unbelievable. This is like an experience of a lifetime. Unbelievable.
Okay.
You will have patience too, to just be lying there on your backs like that.
I've never seen birds do this.
Sweet you are.
Now, do I give them total trust or what?
Yes.
Oh my God.
Good birdies. Kiss.
Look at you. How sweet. How sweet you are.
You want to see a bird wave?
Yeah.
Hi, Lucy. Hi, Lucy. Hi.
Why you want to put? Why are you
Oh
punching
my
holes
God.
in my jacket? Oh.
Oh my God. Am I dreaming?
Here, give him the camera.
I know, but I didn't wash my hands.
All right, I'm not gonna put them in the hands.
Okay.
Just
Your
push.
sweetheart.
Here, you come over here. Eagle.